Shalom everybody. I'm in the ancient synagogue of Susia, which was built around 400 CE, something like that. And you can see the mosaic floor and the ark. Now you'd see that the grand entrance is over there, so you'd expect that the bima where the ark is would be across it where I'm standing, but you'd see that actually the reconstructed ark here is facing sideways. It's like the side of the synagogue. So why is it? So my late professor, Dr. David Amit, he learned and researched about those synagogues, and he came to the conclusion there's a group of synagogues which are specifically in Judea, in southern Judea, which they have the entrance to the east and the ark to the north towards Jerusalem. So this is Jerusalem rather than this. So why would the ancient people in Judea would have a different direction, different way to build their synagogues? That's a great question. We don't really know. We do find different habits that they have here in Judea rather than the Jews in Galilee, for instance. But basically, this is a prominent one. The synagogue, which goes sideways from east to west, and the ark to north to Jerusalem. So this is a beautiful synagogue in Susia, Judea. If you have any questions about ancient synagogues, about the ancient Jews here back in Susia, please contact me. Bye.